Hey, if you want to decorate high-end apparel for the fitness and fashion market, well, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how you can do it from your home with just a heat press with this cool product called SuperTEK Clear. Keep watching. SuperTEK Clear is an ultra-thin, stretchable heat transfer that can be used on any white or light-colored fabric, regardless of the fabric content. It comes in two finishes, matte and gloss. We're going to show you both, but let's get started with the matte transfer on this muscle tank from Next Level. This is a 16 by 20 heat press, but I have it loaded with my 11 by 15 attachment. Hotronix heat presses are #1 in the world, manufactured in the USA, and are great for printing a wide variety of product. I love loading on this smaller platen because it gets rid of these seams and ensures my print area is completely flat. Let me preheat to get rid of the moisture and the wrinkles from the garment. Now, I'll take my SuperTEK Clear Matte Transfer. It comes just like this. You can produce this yourself if you own a solvent or eco-solvent printer cutter. But if you don't know what that means, that's okay. You can order this transfer directly from Stahls ready to press. Talk about that a little bit later. All you'll do is position your design into place. This applies at just 280 degrees. That's a super low temp, which means I'm not going to be scorching fabrics like I do with a lot of garments in sublimation because it takes 390 degrees. 2 steps, 5 seconds. Then you're going to let it cool down and peel the backing and hit it for another 5. Now I'm hitting 2 placements on this garment, so I'm going to go ahead and just spin my shirt and get around to the back print, because one important part of creating apparel is to make sure that the brand stands out and gets recognized. So I love adding additional placements and locations on items that I'm decorating. In this case, we're going to do a design vertically down the back. While that front design is cooling down, I'm ready to just position this, cover it, and press. Again, 280 degrees, 5 seconds, medium pressure, quick, easy. Follow the recipe, and you're sure to have a durable result. We've lab tested this here at Stahls to outlast the garment. It's been used for high-end sports brands as well. So this is cooled down now. I can remove the backing from the print, so I'm just going to peel at a 45-degree angle. And you don't have to worry, it's a stretchable material, so if it stretches a little, that's fine. Make sure that you get the seams back off the press, cover it with a cover sheet, and finish it for an additional 5 seconds. Now this 2-step application helps prevent the garment from being under the heat for too long at any given time, which allows you to decorate a lot of synthetic fabrics that you wouldn't otherwise be able to do. Let's not forget about the other side of our shirt here. And so that should be cooled down. So you can see printing fronts and backs, very easy on this machine when I have it loaded with that cantilever design. And after I press this for the 5 seconds, we'll come up close and take a look at this over at the table and talk about our next garment. Quick, easy, complete. So look at our completed finish. This is a really thin, lightweight garment, and you can almost not even feel this print on there. It has a lot of softness to the touch. It's smooth, stretchable, and it has that true matte finish. So experiment with branding locations, but if you want something lightweight that blends in with the garment, there's no way your customers are not going to love this for their job. Let's show you another application with more of a medium shade garment. Now the next garment I want to print is this 100% polyester dry fit Nike tee in this athletic gray color, because I want to show you how this finish looks across different fabric colors. It's actually a really cool result. So again, I'm going to preheat. And I've taken the same concept just for a different garment, for a unisex garment. And in this case, we've created design in such a way where we have a lot of black in the design, because we know black is going to show well even on this ash gray or sport gray colored shirt, right? The green will kind of fade in a little bit, but we'll still have a really cool finished result. And so the point that I wanted to show you here is, yes, it's intended for light colors, but you can go with some of these medium shades if you're tasteful about your design and understand the product. So let's press it for that 5 seconds. 280 degrees. I'm going to let it cool down for just a bit. I usually like to slide it off the edge of the press Just let it hang out there and cool. I can always remove it from the press if I'm doing a lot and then peel and reload it. But this is easy enough. Let it cool down and then bring it back onto the press after it's cooled just for a bit. Grab the corner and remove. It's looking sharp. Let's cover it with a cover sheet and hit it for that last 5 seconds. I love this. Let's take a close-up look. Super soft. I love the way this color looks. It blends right in with the fabric, and you get that stretch in recovery. Now, this is a loose fit tee, but just to show you, this is going to move with the wear. Even if it were a compression tee, you could definitely do it with this product. Let's show you a new style of clear product on our next garment. Now, we've looked at that nice matte finish. I want to show you another product in the SuperTEK lineup, and that is the clear gloss version for this more fashion resort inspired tee. So it looks basically the same when you receive it. It's just a glossy finish instead of a matte finish, but we're still going to flip it over, position it onto our garment, and apply it the exact same way. It's the same recipe. So once you learn how to use SuperTEK, you can use any of the clear styles, and you can also get into some of the other styles for darker colored garments. This garment is still a lighter shade. It's a dusty peach, and so we get good coverage. So pastels, no problem. So 5 seconds again for the first application. When you're applying cotton, which this is primarily cotton, you want to let it completely cool down before you peel the backing. So we'll fast forward here and then we'll peel. We've cooled down. I'm going to grab the corner, remove the backing, and you can see super glossy result. We cover it with a cover sheet and finish it for that same 280 degrees for 5 seconds. Let's look up close. So you get that gloss, wet look to it. Just has that sheen depending on the angle that you're looking at it. It just really stands off. And again, the same as the matte version, it's still very lightweight, very thin, and very stretchable. So I'm using this in this fashion resort piece, but I could certainly use it in this fitness lineup as well with similar results. So you have the matte, you have the gloss, lots of options here. So that's SuperTEK Clear, available in a matte finish, a gloss finish, very easy to order, very easy to heat apply. Regardless of the fabric composition, you can print it with SuperTEK Clear. Just make sure it's a light colored garment or a mid-color garment as we've explored on this video. Now, I have a question for you. Who are you going to sell this look to first? Leave a comment below this video and let me know whether you plan to use SuperTEK Clear in your business and who you'll sell it to first. Also, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.